wanted a picture like that.
White fang. The terror of the Yukon?
Should we go help him?
Why?
Fang.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
We should go help.
All right, you go out and help him.
Can you come with me? Can you come with me? Can you close the door for me?
Hey, you're up.
Mommy, can I close it like this?
I know, maybe I'll go help him. Here.
Hey, is that for me?
Okay, come. Come, Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy, come. What are you waiting for?
Okay, I'm worried. Oh, there he goes.
You need to save his life.
Just has to let go, Jesse. Hey, Daddy, come on over.
Come on over. Come on over. Look at that squirrel.
Are you taking a video?
We're on almost 2 minutes. Let me go help him. Be nice to him. Here, you do it. You
No,
hold this.
you take me on video.
Okay, you be nice to him. Don't hurt him.
You.
Yes.
Carrots here. Beetroots. Squash. They're right where the squash is.